Welcome back to my channel. This is Skoda Octavia 2013 and we will install Android navigation 10-inch specially for that model. It's ordered from Car Media, Bulgaria, and this model is with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage. But first we have to remove the factory display with 4 of these clips. One by one, pull. Okay. Okay, and the last one. Okay. It was so easy, but here we don't have a head unit. This is only display and the head unit, and sound comes from the Skoda multimedia. We have to take the cables from the Skoda multimedia to the central console. Or maybe we need to make some extenders. Okay. But here maybe we'll need one more clip. Okay. To remove media is not so easy. Okay. Disconnect power cables and antennas and LVDS cable for the monitor. Not plastic tools easier. One by one. Okay. Okay. And the last antenna. Okay, that's it. But yeah, there is optic for CD changer or the second stage of sound system with optic amplifier. But these cables, they are not so long. We have to make some extender. Okay, this is the ISO cable from the complete and CAN boost decoder base. We check the power supply and CAN communication. It's on the right place. Let's put it in the Android navigation and try is it working. Switch on ignition and Android is starting. Ten inch. Okay. Steering wheel, it's not working. We'll record it. Okay. We have some sound. We can try the radio also. Okay.
Добре.
Необходимите паралели, без да сравним.
Indoor we have each station. That's it from us. See you in next video.